amamre ni amani atwagu nhwe experience kakra minim say mutimi toto fa ho kakra kohwe ade kakra na amamre said
hwehwani before no dia be go social media
abotre
me kuma dia hwehwani mu ya hwehwani mu ya ko hwehwani mu ya ni do
na yewra kantanka and so for the crèche now we know the contribution to the automobile omaimu and also yehwe no ma bebre agriculture crop fertilizers or so many other things that bit me tap into what I mean lessons na yesua when we yenya will be to say no be mu then ye be galamsey fight no so wo hwe mampani ne wo ye a we ready so be to ase enkomodi anopai ebusua bit me the one so message about Facebook in Nhyira 104.5 send nso see live nso wo YouTube Nhyira TV or YouTube now for Nhyira TV on your multi TV bit me imam I mean share same through so
mina
ayi no minim say okobi
sure
na edin pa lessons and na wa pick efrim and then you want us to actually observe as a country
mina medase na machia me yonko bi Emmanuel Foyi or ekropon Achumekopon Methodist Church
right
Michiano kwa na me sofu penyin so Kwame Amo Afre very reverend and also we bu akwa Emmanuel Methodist Church akokwa you see Ashanti man ene yana mamre iska Ashanti man mamre no iska o
yeah
na de aka ne de obedi animu ame adane amamre ni sika na yede ahwe asanteman
right
ama asanteman afa ne ntoma pa efra enoma pii wa asanteman mu a eka amamre ne ho a anka yeye Ashanti first enye regional minister de ni bia
bia announce
make bema
there he
me say senka ye ba be Ashanti first and now say Ashanti Expo Ashanti First Expo. And now I'm saying regional minister because regional minister no if I'm to go into it limited in so many ways.
Right.
You bet me abordin. Now they attracted lots of number one investment. Number two tourism.
Right.
And the likes. And the manager pass and I will show say oko abochimemu a abrofo akasa hye da tenase
yeah
ehwe ye na Asante hima yi no
sure
esua omo pebibi afrim e de aye bibi e beboa omo ankasa as oman
yeah
enti Asante semne Asante amamra ni ade no se de medi kan na eska eska kese pa aye billions of dollars through tourism and investment ye bebo organizers definitely be na nanom e be bo mabaso se omunam ye maame ye nana Asante hima eye so e de ahye Asante man animonyam e be do Yakopon so ase se wa ma boni bia ana asemboni bia ensi na eyiyo no abaso na akwa awiye asomdwe mu saa so na me Asante ni de me papa o free mu no ye asebi abusua panyini nti ye nyina ye so ye be menhia pa ye be da adofo na ye jamfo ai wo wiase nyina so ase se omu nyina so be ta akire na yasre obi biara o ye part of Asante man se onim se Asante na adane o man
yeah
enye wo Asante ni a na ka Asante man ho onya Asante ni kura na o do Asante man etia Asante man hye ya se o ya Asante o ka Asante man ho na yasre obi bia ese you see uka Asante ho a it is something you should be proud of but who you baby a also ya chimney within the social media space and was or ya chimney na nije Asante sem ho the way ya mamre ne ya mane ne ye ni o mafa enti obisa papa say say me ya chimney nyina ekatwi me see dey say me zo me ya Asante ni o papa say Asante ni dey o nye o say dey me ware Asante ni also kwan bia so be ware Asante ni said ye na o say na otumfo ne ho kani
yeah
e ho no free nti em say eno so attract lady na ma ono so pese o ware asantini nti e be sere especially menhia any mpanyimfo a omo ka bi ewom we are all available. I'm a development consultant mpanyimfo ehu hia so omo ne ye betena se a ye no omo betena se ne ahwe kwan papa ye be fa so a ye betumi ahyehye na anyehwe every year we should bring President Kufuor Buy or say year of return ye nyina di adanse e mfa so dia e ba ma Ghana yes say ho akontabu no na ye shedan hu say dia akwakosie ye na de King Solomon ono de say bi ono obi emu akonta but at the end of the day say eboa me hyehye na etimi di wiase nyina ba santimamu once a year say they make us Ashanti Fest Expo ya mejiri say ebe emfa so de pi otumfo so de neoma pi no ye boa asantiman Ghana man nyina sika ebe bia minim say o de be ye neoma ebe emfa so de kese but I want to still intimate say Ashanti culture no e sika enti empanyifo mo ka bi ewom emfiti ase say nkasa ho ekoso ama international so ekoso ama de enoma gu krata so ahye ne kama about a month ago ya bro we no can say be show me articulate about 10-12 opportunities you betumi fire mamre no so be kaya for want of time to me come back to it make fire mamre no so e nya ho fa so be brave for our own development enti ye besere mpanyifo e kebi wom especially menshia leadership no na prempem no so executive secretary to Otufo ye besere omu nyina say they should start putting things together call all those who matter na yensi nkonwane ehwe minim se mento so
mama nje omo so views akra na ye beba discussions other discussions no so solo one so na wo ho and observations kakra
said ya cannot in the course of the week Asante will be can Asante will be chair
right
na dodo na eka say Asante your mind mene wan ya adwene
right
because I share the architecture of Nhyira and its environs how we warmly accept other tribes into our fold and make them our own the tribes na kan nyina kan ye ho ne wo se nipa baako a ye kekere o man baako I was amazed me ho abrafobi and na station be an interview and presenter ne ka say na den na mo mema we mu ho na obi kasa tia opem so a no se da bi mema na ho ye no enye Asante for so mo ka me say all tribes are embedded in us and ye na ye som Asante man enti ye mpese ye de kasa bi be ye say because I'm sure be fry mu and I was so happy and me who said the thing is bigger than what we are even envisaging now chimeti be see funeral tourism and uncle for money we can make but I can say be strike me I say a year there oh ka fanfe we ye wa hwe so say then this year we know some are working on tell say they work no because I know it differently and I think say your work consultants we need to look at it but culture a year no exhibit here no excellence in fact we must say a well organized group woman nim nia won ye na edimi me hwe tete no na Ghana ye Ghana ne ye die ho ansan na kosi broni di ne ma ne bi be fra ema na nipa buo nipa ne ma bebre akofoma na media me kan se broni edi ehwemo eyi no na wo kuma ase anadwo no na ye free menhia be ko bantema akobem but I tell you Jabin so me all went dead because you say and you men mo BNP nipa na nka say ye menhia to bantema to bem what is it Bremai but ni die soronko de more pim so ni sikadwa because as Ashantis enye nipa no per se ye who say allegiance no is be sikadwa so wherever we are ye nyina ni die no ye me who say me senchim but I love it na me bisa no ko sign bi say enye sa tumi sa nkambo mu ya didn't print to ba and a bruni be who ya pay quite be so best sign no I didn't name of phobia and ya dear I'm a bata your home and the dear be do baby away because here the name kwano monam so no can you put over bread and pass a baby my own because they shake a kaya course and look at the command it's in Penisi Moses and Kofasana can we go back and look at the African identity? So the Kwame Pono can debiano.
Yeah.
Now you share near my pa and what your mom ring you're positive. Me patch your boss. They are brought for the person who say negative in in rare sense to come and negative out. And a quibble some of us who I say these are negatives. Boss, maybe some who question be over the years. Joy. Reporter for the first time we had your pa tell me you koso mention oko bem sanko koye enquiries and now you ko share the hierarchy of ahimfoguo no tell I was amazed na tie bibia ahimfo no say protocols obi be echi enti ba ko ka say obetumi awuram and you ba mu say so hini bi wo no say na commander wo ticket no the way stop ahimfo no say wow I say no you can come up to this point
but won't be
can go there. But no, he do the kanaka say on the grad interview. So what they did was I said, he know what my uncle Fanamra, no be share will get no
in church.
Not one church on the moment. I was amazed. But I come to think of this. See what dime be all. Whether it is true or not. Ya catcher say, ya nana, ya papa, ya day in us a prempe. I hadn't seen. What's a rich history power and I'm one. Into be a person.
Yeah.
Saturno obeko ako observe
a sacred place.
Me sure say tumbi o ya dikese conformity and that's what I had you say no and even spiritual relevance and people would have loved to go there from afar and near. I think that says sacred aspect na ya no and then many remember you say we need to open those places up because people are willing to visit nipa ye krado because you say hey boss me charge so maybe I'm back to school you find your Ashanti museum ho and I go now what did you Ashanti making in the annals of history were both local and international now ko hwe baby I dedicate say friend the Ashanti museum or just one you weep
and no cry and say since see kakra ko
you me say again virtually butchy you weep
agogwa on say na me summarize mesre minua until I say was a course one
that is the point is that say no we say no but say no baby I do say I hope say me chair mon family board senior you are here if I'm saying Dennis Emeka because I mean it but what I want to say Israel, boss, and current Israel was a creation after the second World War. But today, every side that we know in the Bible, whether it is the case or not the case, if you go to Israel today, you visit the place. Another manager, you go for 2 planes free. See a correct 2 miles, you see a route. What's the case? And see, I think that those are the positives. I bet me.
If there are certain places, if you say yes, sacred where people cannot go, we should have some creation.
As a replica, and I say,
these
are very good
and
because
that's your point.
Yes, I'm a man. We cannot go there. The other aspect are very positive. I'm a person in the contemporary
right.
Say, I now have no doubt in my mind. Say, Ashanti to me, boss. Serious. Now, so my year, and I see here, and I see so many year, near person you be able to be and the political leadership, I had that we said it here. Say, young man, no.
Sure.
Now you check how best you bet me a tap into their wisdom. Now I'm no woman pa. Now no money mama papa. Now who say possible near per kwambiso and the human rights and the freedom of speech. Boss, I in freedom of speech. Oh. Can you see? No, you see.
Oh, yeah. Everywhere, every man can answer.
Thank you, but this is Africa.
Yeah, the Nimdia. Any nyansa.
Thank you.
Unlike the political space. Yeah, different criticism in the politics.
Now, almost try I say, Nana make us me say. Me historian.
Okay.
But on the catch said, Caneno. Now Bonnie you know the more reason.
Yeah.
Well, for Baku Doko Nesika or Bakumasia, no budget plot. Or say big companies have both to me and sa. It be a 90 rooms.
Yeah.
No for CBS to put more bar or baby or it's no Bruno. Sir, I need to survive. I need to make it by 18 years, by 6 years. Yeah, mammy never toy. Mammy 4 by 5 will feel back. Obia no aduane ye pede wo me de ye kane nua ne de kane ne yakodi wo ma me kwade later ye ndu ma me de so kwade de ame ye ma me de feel so bad say ye ndi o maduane. Look at the love it in kabomu say we done right from the word go. We see the togetherness. Like joke ko si boni aba and self contained and am boa e dan ya ne 3 bedroom house and am boa ono de ba ko ne ma de ba ko gesum ba ko na me boa ko do we wale pan so yep ni to be inside ya to all afa ho e de na de say go so ama kama bia onimo bia o mo onimo mo ye fie ofo nko a na agu gradually yet yeah fiber o tun for tribute o make no o boni ma mensa o queen mother o senior sister one who saw the link.
No, who a leader.
3 things. A queen mother, a senior sister, and a leader. And now emphasis on Minya Penny,
sure.
The love that we shared kept on reflecting every line.
Because of the bond.
Bond now. Initially. And I think say Sankofa a year way and other things.
Okay.
Again, ni dia the man penny and the kasa. Yeah, you see, we observe one thing. Na no any loose talkers.
Yeah.
Who was some interviewer? You see, no, Ashanti Yankawi.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are too full. So what went here? Yes, I'm Kano. Yankawi. Who do I see Yankawi? That is the wisdom. And when you move, and you're Serbian one look at beka. And another time you say, "Who are you watch them?"
But
because we are mistaken. One no pape as a matter.
The youth of today are they emulating some character?
And that is why I was saying, "Yadi, eka yenema your civics, your culture, your bibia, into your curriculum no." When you become over the weekend, and I was say, why are business students so? Me the business me that bombo body be. John Rousseau, Adam Smith, Sankofon, who lived in the 14th century and the one. We now have the Dangotes. We have the Pierre Minkes. We have the Ibrahim Mohammed. We have the contemporary today.
Yeah.
I papa ya ko friend say they not a year back what they say oh a year Kumasi am you know the bar. Ya papa no we free. Was such a funeral or service.
Okay.
He's a great man. Who said that she say I feel about power. You now first it's hard time.
A lot of business people.
See a big document is for no. Say in this harsh terrain, a crime by some fire day and make you
survival. Yeah.
Not a chairman mission because almost a year contemporary, almost a survivor in this very difficult environment. J.J. Rousseau, Adam Smith, nobody did mommy. And this is how we bomodino.
Almost settings different.
Almost settings no. And you be. I think say. Thank you. Yeah, Papa of Salute. This is the kind of boy. He worked at NASA and I'm a boy. Very great engineer. In fact, two schools are used here. And we learning. No, you see,
limited to.
No, but if they are not limited, but must include.
No, we understand, but it seems like you ignore it. That's the point he wants to make. We are ignoring because Bibrinua cross city local ones now. They are not. I mean, valued so much than say almost citing other, theory from other countries and people.
What has been written about because names are
say you enjoy anyway. That's the point he's making. It will be super steady who say Masha Kennedy Japan from the year 2000. Mehu impact our make. But say nipa krono be hwe saa de na wahu no so e de atro bibi a present. But you say enya theoretical. Enya de ye written. And then what just say we should have a deliberate attempt. So look at
me say me can na obibi mu. What me can say we need to sit.
Yeah.
Because we nipa no tourist no bad then you should have something tangible behind.
Thank you. Oh,
what I say
you see,
I agree.
Senior, what you say? Madam, me can many argument, but now me can say history about Yasantua, history about Nana Prempe, history about the Sunday Kingdom. It's known everywhere, and I was
now most of our history, crab, Rofiana.
Thank you. It's Oba, boss. Osigana ha. No see Yasantua na what is ni bebre no. Ope. Bibi gidi. Ehu ono ho a. Question me say okohe. When we say my name as corrected, Momwame. You see the most visited tourist site in Ghana today, Kwame Nkrumah Museum.
Yeah.
The most visited tourist site today in Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah Museum. So now, don't that uncle for and the conscious effort said no. That's my 18 fan because the person about they call uncle for your fan bra. And we are. I know na me say but I give 100% for the year. Right. Organizers to everything.
Right.
Or took also at a point in time, me say na you too. Also, my you will say really.
Yeah.
It's in the full number. Yeah, sure, and I think say these great men, they are institutions. You document your mobile call. Ekosia. Mama last appeal into. One day, Nana me body and mabu. Who eni ja empanifo onye nkompinifo ekochia na nawia eni ja wo modi free ho edeba can na once a while between available say I'm person be chia about thousands of bikuma for what register maybe no person like that we want to go and just shake hands what Nana
appear steady Ogochia of Nhyira
Tia no me say na me hwe yie me say me padi bi kono mu tie no mo ba
enye on say otufo bogof na ko wa unim so be hu differently okay and na otrasa na ko wa be hu different thank you we say bibia mo be say
thank you
na ko do Ajman Rollins enye first time o che otufo ni but o che no we video
am say asa na ho wo penifo na chane na eni je o mo de tia no enti ye nya nke be say dey bi okwa na ka we di be chane na bi ochi na ka bi na ekuma ka yes ye ko che otufo hwe ni fa be ye na ni ka be ye.
Sure. Very, very much important. Say it to me, Ebanesa. Now, I was joining in Nhyira 104.5. We are cooking to me, you may dinner with you know. Dotino Echino na yeshe no ma, you bet me a swing idea free man, of course. And Penifua can no be brave, you bet me I net me a boy. Victor, your experience.
Sorry. Senior.
Ben Mike ni kakrama.
Isuta kwa mabe poso fonso so a omo etie ni titru ye minu alasa o be poso ni opoku.
Okay.
John a won suta. Etino akokwa ma menchia etiefo mutie. Titru ma memfa nchia so nkonkon suta kwa mabe poso.
Right.
Na menchia o munyina isanse anopai de me ye sure say dodo na etie ha. Ni titru minua alasa a o be poso oso tie pa
right
ene opoku John mo nyina me chia obia o hwe nanu frijo adabesi ne ya wada so a
okay
se ne minua mpanifo aka no ade ana eye a sebe abusua wo mu ade atopa na eben ye be the royal family wo mu se ye Ghana nyina ne Asante man nyina nanso ofa eye the royal family sebe Nhyira edi animu na a sorrowful mode.
Sure.
Very sorrowful. Who say yes be men sundie nanso so at a certain point you could see say it had dawned on them. Oye hu hwia na enyeye. Nanso so yen ya ye tie akire ne ye hwe ye ne ye kɔ bi no. Kyere mpanifo di ka aka no. Me wo na bibi gbisa me gbisa me ho say so if we have all this the intina ye allow Kwesi Broni ma obey infiltrate a system no with all these things. Na so look can be look ade bia Kwesi Broni de ba ya ene abeye concern guye ko a etwen ase no existed before they came in different forms. Even almost governance system. This governance system. Any the various you can say and chichemu ewom say legislature hwan ni uko yen traditional settings now they exist.
Yeah.
Ministers are here for any home they all exist in our system. Uko himfie ni a company for omu didi bibia no from Sanahini na ye finance minister.
Yes.
Huh? Ubat Ashanti tradition mu a ye wo benkumfo ni nifafo. Uhwemu ya is more or less like the same structure na ye wo as a nation no. Districts and regions. Enya no ni the paramount CC. What did they mention? Nti ade bia ye no it existed. Uko judicial system nim ekwan ye fa so di asem uko ye traditional setting na ye in a better form
the same thing because obi kwa utimi kra mo hini bi ana opani bi di nanim so woko akodwa ato
yes
na waka bi ama no
exactly
enti ne lawyer no e na ukoduru hon so no a ye wo judge a wotie adwamu a eye ohene no a wotie wasem no na wahwe ne watie nkrubo a obiebo edeba no na watumi ebu asem di ye learning from those places. I mean what that edu maybe na obisa ho say na sa infiltration mo de bayi na ye ka freedom of speech any ho sensem ni nei ensem bebre ya benya sa ni o ma na ye de bayi ni nti na amasa bi ebu a ebu pani ato akoto ba bi nje na ya beduru ba bi a say freedom of speech no ya benya another layer or see after speech no there were consequences. What did they mention? As on first no so freedom of speech no kra wo beka ho asem no we careful from the beginning. Ya tetew
what you say
wo beka no
na ya kofa Kwesi Broni de na onu tim ka che wo me shit fuck you man. So ansem hu na se be o mo de tema no ne sa ne no now ye de abaha enti obi beka che say civilization.
Right.
No bisa ho say civilization ni ade a wo ya ubeye wie no sebe na wanfa bu ama pani wanfa bu ama de ochen wanfa bu ama pani a esenka odi bu ma no ba nia media me fi say ye nyina yesu afri ayewom eye nkabo mu a ede bae look efri juada besi eye ne yawada ohwe the whole country empanimfo ahodo ahemfo ahodo adumayeku ahodo a obia ba se oba bechia yewura ene asanteman no aba abema ya yako ayenu kura nuru mpo no hwe mpanimfo mudi kan ba yewura nanso from akwamu to your friends kwawu from mudi delegations anlo from Akuapem from Gonja from Dabon from all walks of life. A show say you will be a bit to me a kayabum. Ye de amanyosam no bibia to nchen wi a ye wo a tradition amamra ni amane bi e betumi akayabum ahemfo ene ahensem a e betumi di mpuntuo ene nkabomu aba megidi said that was what was at display. Na ohwe senia enipa eba ye so eba be hye mu kina ene obu a sebe ne ewo ede masikadwa na solo kan sen bi and it is perfect enye about nipa sebe o odi ani mu na yehwe nemum the allegiance is to the golden stool and to your face sikadwa kasa emfa ho ne nya wakasa no sikadwa nya kasa esa sentimentie sikadwa enya kasa enhwe eya na ye kasa sebe freedom of speech ama ho kwama bia kabinti na no a ye ka se o ya wada obia enfa omo ye adwuma mfa omo adwuma ko fom ne ade na wanya sebe benchichefo ni bi no ma start ke kan sem na the economic one ye free ye de ma de se be dakro na ye de kotena fie na ba mu bia abraba sei na me bisa wa mo so say e free joada besi ukuada no do they have an idea of the economic gains ayenya e wo krom ha nipa epu ebaaye no sebe enuane omudiye ka omufaaye hwe unim say from Monday to efiada na almost every other hotel e wo krom ha ayema yemisa sika sebe oman no krampo yenya free airport ho because almost every day the bia your local flighty full to capacity in and out kwesiada ejoada ebrada ukuada yawada any enra ebi kran so ekwa no pay Shomo tonton eye the Ashanti flag omo tonton omo etonton entade asebe ye de Ashanti ahusuo ene sebe Ashanti human ene omo agum no hwe the kind of ene omo ton ye unim say some of the companies etswa omo ne omo ko hostino at the venue omo nnuane ko ho ko je stance omo tonton sebe anonodie bi so many. It was like a traditional festival a hu fa so asebe e ba economic gains are enormous but na me sre ni say ye mabunu so no ye hwe ne sa na etie bi no nye se ye hwe ne sa keke na mum ye hwe ne o mani bi se de na ye bobos na ye de ya adisuade ama ye ho
okay
sebe ohini bi wo a wo hwe ni fie a wadi ene ohini foforo bi wo ho a ni fie a wadi a ubehu se bia ne oye ketoa no kra no position onu kita no is anana konwa o te so se de ye ka se enchichemu wom no na so che panimu no nanso ebuo soronko a ode masa akonwa ni nti no asem bi wo ntimi nka okona ni ma agese woro ne tuma guna beti sometimes it's not about the age, it's not about the political party, it's not about real life.
Sure.
Now you say see a deep manipa.
Okay.
A do maybe cry kwenya yenya yakasawo. Yensu yaka hubi. Sabi sampani phone bukra and your person criticize on we should be careful in even the choices of words we use.
Right. Yes, man.
Sani beya o mining chichi any o mining kabomu a yenyina ye peno. Ye betumi enya in such a way say at the end of the day the holistic development of our people no e very supreme.
Right.
Now unim adia ba ko a mi hu ya eno so ese ye de ba na ye twe adwin si so ne say unim say ahofa so ne enoma opemfso ede ye ne ho na wotwe no mu nyina no ebia wo very very great significance.
Yeah.
And one of the important thing am hu ye too me bi say mu asem ye ne cha
nation
no she I think on the Wednesday on the Thursday we share ya Thursday dia no na ne ehye no the quills of Kotoko eno no quill no make an choose so no say any
ko anim
on say wo hwe Kotoko a ne your friend say enkasa na wo ne ho no eno ne man ye your friend say the strong animal a wo from ho no eno na ye de aye yewura che no ena na ye de sidie e de a design ho
okay
e was significance na e kire ni hu a eye wo form as Kotoko hene ena wo hwe ya wada no so a now he was adorned and I said no de e cha na e hye no eye the eagle feathers eye okodie ne ntabra ne ntakra ena na ye so dia e che ni supremacy even in the air nti ade bia no ye bia you realize say e wo cultural significance e say ye hu ne de yesua ne ye di ni dia e say de ma ye mpanimfo ya hemfo ɛne mpanimfo bia yɛ di dwumadi ahye wɔ mo nsa na sɛ betumi akɔ so a ɛsɛ hyɛ ase afiri baabi
right
na sɛ yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ne saa yɛn mpanimfo a yɛwɔ ɛnɛ wonim sɛ amanyɔsɛm ne saa ne ɔmanneɔma yi yɛka ho bi paa na yɛama yɛdu baabi a yɛdu because wɔhwɛ a mo nso so na moma yɛ akwanya ɛma sɛ bɛ yɛba ne ɔmanfoɔ no bɛdi nkita ho mɛtumi aka sɛ mmerɛ pii no yɛne yɛnya saa akwanya no yɛba biara nso so a yɛne no ɛnoma no bebree kyerɛ sɛ ebu a yɛsɛ yɛde ma yɛ mpanimfoɔ no akɔ fam
asɛ mo ampanimfoɔ kura mo di mo ho
enti ɛba saa wobɛhu sɛ nea ɔte akyire no ɛnhwɛ wonim sɛ a lot of people nipa dodoɔ no yɛsua adeɛ firi ɛyɛ nea yɛte wɔ radio so
right face man
enti sɛ yɛn nso so yɛ start sɛ yɛhyesa nneɛma a yɛyɛ wɔ radio ne TV no so a ɛbɛboa ma sɛnea yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhyɛpi yɛn mmɔfra no ne yɛn mmabunu no ɛbɛkɔ so yie enti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ adesuadeɛ bi a ɛbaa mu na wɔtwe mu no yɛmpɛ kwan yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛtumi ama adi yie na adi yɛn brɛ mu dɛm ɛwɔ yɛabrabɔ a yɛbɔ ɛyɛ asase so
Meda CP Nhyira 104.5 abusua